Mema Oya Kwaba Eba GC News. Hot news all time, latest and hot news. Aramide Bremo. Aye John Dramani Mahama aye or the Kokobosa my EC4 no say 1 year abemu. Now what you send the bratuja. Now Sanamide in 7 million abeba. Necessary so we now subscribe to the channel now. Necessary over subscribe. You'll be answer over click the subscribe button. Now what belly notification we answer. Video for be upload no also inside epic can be. After we are not like the video, give us a thumbs up. Nothing was share my offer for so now when you be now warfare. After you go a NC. You don't Dramani Mahama NDC one flag bearer or the Kokobosa my EC. Now can talk and say Mahama wants EC against Ríging plans with MPP. Mrs. EC no and before a kabum said a one be abani. Now, can I say John Dramani Mahama, flag bearer of the National Democratic Congress (NDC), has condemned the Electoral Commission (EC) for barring political parties from monitoring the vote transfer process, alleging it favors the ruling New Patriotic Party in the 2024 elections. Now, EC the directive by say political parties and one agent and ya the one point among buy transfer centers for. Na no NDC for no NTC na no na Mahama so Aremeyaw what they in same atuga. Now what was say he accused the MPP of planning gerrymandering to influence results, but accept their failure. Mahama said the MPP will not retain power due to the public discontent over economic struggles and corruption. Now what you say gerrymandering that is MPP for no who say baby wo honuma wanaba results by whole from 20%.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
And when Mahama say here, I want to near the Amodia Bagana for so any corruption like there's no way more able to win a year 2024 election. Now Mahama the details at to a year in the Facebook page, the honor in seminar or choy, what they do donor at 2 year or say the Electoral Commission's decision not to allow agents of political parties to observe the ongoing voter transfer exercise points to only one reason. The EC avowed determination to aid the ruling MPP in stealing the outcome of the 2024 election. Which is about and the EC for any answer 1% one year MPP for one team we are a minimum on the 2024 election when it me. But as I continue to repeat and did the past weekend in Tongo, this collusion between the EC and the MPP will not work. What I say MPP for any EC for any Kabumayasa and Yadi bit my they will fail. I'm not surprised that the MPP and the EC quickly reversed a collective decision taken at the IPAC meeting last week to have political party agents present at the district offices for the transfer exercise. What is the IPAC meeting? Parties may share and one of you in Ako Benkom so the Bema agent for Ako party beard in Nipa Papa Kujina. I figure who the buyer is as a son agreement. I see the MPP knows and internally admits that it will lose the 2024 presidential election. We also know that it will lose the 2024, and we also know that as a last resort, it seeks to deploy gerrymandering during this voter transfer period to improve its chances in the parliamentary elections in the erroneous belief that it may rely on that to affect its presidential vote. Again, they will fail because that strategy will not work. Which is why MPP for the person wanted 18-year voter transfer and say, "Baya, but you have one bit me about the grown and then Mahama say, and Nadia Bayaguma, a big feeling." Now, yes, I'm ready to a yes, reporting into a year reporting.
Made a message, say, minimum. The only key word or byword that I would want to sell to the NDC is vigilance. And so far, they have exhibited that trait. And the posts, the conversations and the analysis and all that now, I am happy. Say NDC is showing leadership. Oh, they are the only hope we have. And I don't think say we can find any other hope but the NDC. And John Mahama particularly, who has brought a big shine to the NDC now. I tell you, most of the people that many of them interact are even diasporans or even non-Ghanaians. When you mention John Mahama, there is a sigh of relief. Say, oh, John can bring Ghana back on track. And so and only Yareshemu ni Yenidaso. Mesromo. Whether or not limited registration, no, Ebekoyo Enkoyo no, ANDC. Because Ghana for any political party,
You are watching Juicy News on
independent
YouTube.
candidate, you cannot present
Time.
an agent. What do I say? That is why Electoral Commission fire Diama. Look, they have just shown that letter now, Boss Masari, Etroyeno. They have shown to the Ghanaians say they are up to rigging the election. But Unim, what gives me so much joy is the fact that while they move, Omoanko for Hinte said this is what direction Omosi Yanko. They are not in charge. In fact, if you look at the military, the police, EC officials, Omako for MPP4, Omo for MPP4, it be a chairman for girlfriends, just say, Oma for Monko for Nomako Electoral Commission, but still, they are not happy because many mayor election and now wabla we are billions to from their shadow. What me see that this say fakoshe asie underground. I wofa wo ho ewra tunnel mu ekọ diase. Ko wieska ko gugu. Ya wo de wani ene bio safe. Ebio safe wo de wani ko sua. Yeah. Enti say wo eska ne hye. Yeah. No. I'm safe no safe be about technology technology. Oh okay to say oh okay you said you when you build phone when you build so no na mi ko hwe the iris emu safe na emu meters aba no omo sinu underground no safe eno cry ne door odi wiam yeah omo anko phone ebo ya manyo so there you omo pounds safe omo dollar safe euro omo safer omo cedis no omo 200 100 omo ni 50 tile eno kura omo 100 no omo de agu ano ho eno na omo safer omo de omo ni say yeah mabogana kro no yes a whole vote cash vote you know say me see for me NDC for enum yen no moyen jo mama
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Si from a sabio edom di wachi na enye ade a ye nyina ye de boaboa ya no ama yani ada ho se kootwi amansa sabio ato ne ekon na yen kokon no na Cora draw any excel ne de who's a Cora draw ade ya at Photoshop Cora draw type is an app. Now how do you use Cora draw for data analysis? How? But Matisse as a German Sansone Bossman and to call media carbon and that's an ketwa manyan toka say you say Bossman say ono na Akufo-Addo the body nti nkebe ya imagine nkona jena jidi mbone pa no take over my first was what's an apocalypse na say o hide ebia obenya last say eya na me busa me ho question ye wa mampo nyina tie for na me busa me ho question nana anytime me te yeso TUC secretary say Bawumia ne slogan it is possible or say it is possible no ma hope yes so oko voter region yes so me be say it is possible no ma hope when you wake up in the morning na no tu now we Ghana ni near catch us 2022 Bank of Ghana running into loss 60 billion Ghana cedis 0.8 8 year fan chewomo no mo yere fan koto ai nantwa chachanwe we are Ghana new unprecedented from Kwame Nkrumah time bepemene na obia bedi aban from 2017 yesi afi baako pe eya from 2022 fiscal year Bank of Ghana are running into losses of 60 billion Ghana cedis.
About 6 trillion, Anna. 6 trillion
dollars. No, what do you call dollar? I'm say 7 billion dollars.
Say about 6 trillion.
Okay,
trillion.
Where 60 billion Ghana cedis new? And yet 60 billion Ghana cedis new. Oh yeah, you know. Unim sabita fracture me unim kwasi ade was our analysis no owi no abeka kire say 2023 also almost lose 10.5 billion Ghana cedis. Now when you go back to the 60 billion almost reasons for the 60 billion loss no is due to the cedi depreciation in 2022.
Commander Shadiwe, out of Matei, see, and yet Mahama used 54 billion to do all the project.
Yes. Well, what's it? 60 billion. Other year was it due to a year cedi depreciation in 2022? Yamra 2023. As of 2022, now you talk dollar and say. No dollar 2029 number 14 13 14
if you recall 16
16
16 17 yeah
that was 2023
yeah
2023 they call 16 17 last year early last year last year they call 16 17 no as of 2022 it was around 13 14 yeah no near 60 billion last year no a depreciating year inflation echo so no I 10.5
yeah
and it's a nyakro na boy 2023 and then na boy when we can when we are almost 50 billion Ghana cedis.
So argument me are there. Yeah,
look at the depreciation figures. If you are telling me say a depreciation of the cedi and a man when you that 60 billion losses young show 2022 2023 Gyamfi inflation figures there in na e wosoro forex figures there in na e wosoro and then you difference 50 billion. Where is the difference 50 billion coming from? Where we are Sikano Akufo-Addo Bawumia Addison, and you see Addison, whether he lies or not, will be prosecuted. We don't need to form any committee. Addison, Emra, Ghana Emra, any Addison, Bank of Ghana governor, and anybody, Makanawa, Mesia Kebio, that he is one of the people on the radar. Addison Bejira Ghana for any Ebun Konta. Just your 7th New Year of February and
there's some printout on so without parliamentary approval.
That is the point.
Other printout without
Addison, this are die better by every no man here up bumping to I am Eddie Afra Benko Amenedi. Obiani ni asem yero kwa no literally say eno so still kwa no
eno no owu a ye be kwa kusi.
So I ask myself, where is the hope? And these things is under the management of the economic wizard, Wizkid, Messiah, Bawumia. Say the power you try to make actually there is hope. Where is the hope? It's one of those things. Now, even when Bank of Ghana ran into losses, no matter catch will say, IMF forcing you a utility bills, you increasing amount. The Aduma 1st July. While you are running loss, Bank of Ghana no, you are GBF Akwa
and yet they are not cutting down expenditure.
They are not cutting down expenditure because they don't respect you, the Ghanaian. They don't respect MPP supporter. They don't respect NDC supporter. They think that the MPP supporter is Jimmy. No, Sana Ghana for you, Jimmy. Bunipa.
The cow said, "Jisini show and our no say we don't subscribe. Oh yeah, let's just say over subscribe and I like it. Now watch a video. Ama offer so any be now watch it. Also, be me actually wagging afa here and some way now. Ever comment box no. Over to you in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.